Hey guys, I guess these videos are gonna become more of like every 2-3 weeks because I don't know, I haven't done them every week. So today is Thursday, August 26th, and tomorrow will be 32 weeks pregnant. So this is gonna be like a 32-week update. It's gonna be kind of long because I have a lot to talk about since I last made a video. So you might want to like grab a snack or something. So the baby at the ultrasound at 29 weeks, which I posted for you guys, was already measuring 3 pounds and 10 ounces. So I think it was measuring 2 weeks ahead of time. So it's measuring around 31 weeks based on the head measurement and the abdomen measurement, the leg measurement, and whatnot. So right now the books say that 32 weeks your baby should weigh about 3 3/4 pounds and be between 16 and 17 inches long. But I have a feeling that our baby's bigger than that, or maybe they have the due date wrong, or I don't know. So the eyebrows and eyelashes and the hair on the head is appearing. The toenails and the fingernails are there, and the teeth buds are under the gums. It's beginning to put on fat, and the skin is becoming smoother, so it's not looking like a wrinkly old person anymore. It's actually looking like a real cute chubby baby. It's practicing breathing and swallowing, so it's breathing it's swallowing the amniotic fluid, and it's, I guess, having hiccups in preparation for breathing. And it's sucking its thumb, it's blinking, and it's listening to sounds on the outside, as it was in the previous weeks. The baby movements now are really like an alien. I get to like see my whole belly go kind of lopsided. It always prefers to poke out kind of on the right side of my belly button. It's either a butt or a head that's there. And now I'm starting to feel, I felt little movements before, like they were feet or hands, but I'm actually starting to see them pop out. And it's the cutest thing ever because it's like this teeny little bump, and then as soon as I touch it, it kind of goes away, like it didn't want to be tickled. So yeah, I don't know, it's so cute. The baby just started getting hiccups like a couple weeks ago, and now it probably this past week probably got the hiccups on average like once a day. So it's kind of a little bit annoying, and I don't know, it kind of scares me a little bit, but I know that it's normal. As far as I go, I'm gaining now about 1 pound a week, so I'm having doctor's visits every 2 weeks, and on average I've been gaining 2 pounds with each visit. So the doctors aren't concerned or anything about my weight, and it's fine. I'm just like between like 25 and 30 pounds of weight that I've gained so far, so I don't know. I've been exercising more this week. I've been really good about exercising. Probably because David's at a conference for work and he's working late, so I have nothing better to do. But I'm getting better at it. So I'm getting slower moving around, just more uncomfortable. I don't know. I'm feeling good, but like, I guess because I'm bigger, it's just more awkward. And I've been really flattered this past week especially. It seems like every time I go out somewhere and I'm wearing like a form-fitting shirt, or even if I'm not, I've been getting comments from strangers, and everyone thinks like my belly is the cutest thing in the world. David especially, but I would expect that because it's his baby. He always tells me how cute my belly is, and how, you know, I look exactly the same except to have this big ball hanging off front of me. But everyone else, like, I don't know, anything like mini golfing, there was a girl there, she told me that we were having a girl. I went to Ross, the lady at Ross thinks we're having a girl. We went to the restaurant this past weekend, and this guy and this lady stopped me and they're like, "You have the cutest belly ever," and they were just going on and on about it, and I had like, eventually I just said, "Okay, you're embarrassing me, I gotta go now." And then this another like young kid rock climbing, when I was going to watch David rock climb with his friends, I was waiting around, and so their kids start talking to me about the pregnancy. I don't know that he said I had the cutest belly, but there was a girl in Einstein's Bagels the other day in line who said I have the cutest belly, and then yesterday going into the bathroom, the lady was like, "Oh my goodness, you have the cutest belly." So it's like, I don't know, that seems to be a theme this last week or so. But it's very flattering. I'm gonna miss all the attention when I'm not pregnant, because nobody used to talk to me before, at least strangers. As far as other symptoms go, my stomach has been itching a little bit, but that's normal. It's just like the skin stretching that causes it to itch. The top of my uterus has been getting like a little tingly, kind of like stretching feeling, like a stretching feeling this past week. As I'm walking, kind of feel like a little like ripping or tearing right under my chest. And the other weird thing is actually feeling your stomach growl underneath your chest. And when this first happened, like months ago, I thought it was like phlegm or a mucus buildup in my lungs, because you know sometimes like when you're sick and you have phlegm in your lungs, when you breathe in, you have that feeling like you can feel it moving around. Well, I felt that, but it was like so high. I was like, it couldn't be my stomach, but apparently it's my stomach growling. So that's a very weird sensation. Anyway, I'm sure you guys don't care about that. I've been eating a lot more. I can now eat an entire foot long by myself, so I'm very proud of that. And I've been craving sweets like big time. When Emmy came to visit, we made some cookies, and I bought so many cookies and snacks beforehand. I think I have Little Debbie's oatmeal pies, Sandy's cookies, Oreos, Chips Ahoy, ice cream, yogurt, I don't know, and like tons of fruit. So I don't know, I just had a major sweet tooth. I think it has to do with the fact that I was kind of like restricting all my sweets because of the whole glucose thing. I don't know if you guys, I don't remember ever telling you guys, but I failed the 1 hour glucose test. My glucose level was too high. It was 145 and it was supposed to be 140 or lower. So I had to go for the 3 hour test. And okay guys, sorry about that. I was afraid the dogs were going to start barking and you guys weren't going to be able to hear me. As far as the glucose test goes, I did a 3 hour one, and luckily Emily was here to visit, and it wasn't that bad at all. Like, we brought Uno and Scattergories and Skip-Bo and a couple other games, like card games, to play in the lobby while we waited, because when you first go there they take your blood, and that's your fasting blood level, a glucose level, and then every hour after that, for the next 3 hours, they draw your blood, so you have to wait there. And I'm sure I would have been extremely bored if Emily wasn't there. So it helped the time go by really fast, and the needles weren't that bad. They drew blood from a different vein each time, and they alternated arms. So there was 4 blood draws, 2 on each arm. And it really didn't hurt, even though I don't like needles. It wasn't that bad. But afterwards I noticed like a bruising on one of my arms, and I actually still have the bruise. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's still there, and it's been 2 weeks. So I don't know, it doesn't hurt. Just this discoloration, it may take a little bit longer to go away.